Okay. Now I'm going back over these with I have a small row of feathers that I'm starting. These are smaller here, smaller to bigger, and I'm putting a second row of feathers. I'm making sure the tips kind of cover the creases or the seams of the first feathers. And I don't care if it goes off the back. I'm just going to cut off those ends. That's fine. That doesn't matter. It's just about, the main thing is focusing on where do these little feathers on top end. The first tip ends at the end of my cardboard, and then I'm having it go a little higher than my cardboard, but not too high. Also, when the end here is still on the cardboard and the cardboard showing, that doesn't matter either. We still have more feathers to go. So when you're through with this first row, you can make a second row. And hey, here's a tip on, maybe you figured this out already, but on cutting the feathers, if you fold the paper over, where am I? There. Fold the paper over, you can cut 2 feathers at the same time. Can you believe this mess I'm making? In art, can you believe it? Now, there's 2 feathers, and they're connected by that fold. While it's still folded, I can take my scissors and do the clips. Do-do-do, do-do-do. And then, when all the clips are in, I can put my scissors inside that fold, cut it, and I have 2 feathers at once. 2. Magic.